In this video, I am going to show you how to install OnStream on your Roku TV. Since OnStream is not available in the Roku channel store, we'll need to use a workaround to get it on your Roku device. First, ensure your Roku TV is powered on and connected to the internet. You will need to install the OnStream app on your Android or iOS device. You can find the official APK for Android or the app in the App Store for iOS. Once you have the app installed on your device, open it and make sure it functions correctly. Next, you will use the screen mirroring feature to display OnStream on your Roku TV. On your Roku remote, press the Home button, then navigate to Settings. Select System, and then go to Screen Mirroring. Enable the screen mirroring feature by choosing either Prompt or Always Allow. Now, on your Android device, swipe down to access the Quick Settings menu and look for Screencast or Smart View. If you're using an iOS device, swipe down from the upper right corner to open the Control Center and tap on Screen Mirroring. Select your Roku TV from the list of available devices. Once your device is connected to the Roku TV, open the OnStream app on your mobile device. The app's screen should now be mirrored on your Roku TV, allowing you to navigate and enjoy your content directly on the big screen. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.